Hello everyone, and welcome to the Tech Upskill channel. This is the 7th video in our full n8n course, and if you're just joining us, be sure to check out the full playlist so you can catch up and get the most out of this series. In the previous lesson, we built a fully functional Telegram chatbot, and now it's time for another simple and practical exercise. In this video, we're going to create a system that automatically synchronizes new files from Google Drive into a Google Sheet. You'll build an automation that helps you organize and share files. Whenever a new file is added to a specific Google Drive folder, your workflow will detect it, send the file by email to a chosen recipient, and then save the file information into a Google Sheet. Now let's get started. This automation is fairly easy to build, and the only common challenge is creating and connecting your Google Drive credentials. Once your credentials are ready, the entire workflow comes together using only 3 nodes. First, a Google Drive trigger that detects whenever a new file is added to a specific folder. Next, a step that shares the file with the chosen recipient. And finally, a node that logs the information into Google Sheet. That's all. Just 3 simple nodes working together to automate the entire process. Let's begin by creating a Google Drive folder and a Google Sheet file where we'll store the details. Now let's go to n8n and start with the first step. Search for Google Drive and select on change involving a specific folder. After selecting your credentials, set the trigger to watch for changes in the specific folder you created. From the list, choose the folder. In my example, it is the test folder, and set it to watch for file created. Now test the node by fetching a test event, and you should see an output containing the details of the file. For the second step, we add the share file operation from Google Drive. Under the File options, select the file ID from the previous node, then set a permission. Choose Reader or Writer, select User, and enter a test email. When you execute the node, it should work, and you can confirm this by checking that the file is now shared with the email address you selected. For the third node, choose Google Sheets and select Append or Update Row. Choose the Google Sheet file you created earlier and the sheet inside it. Then, in manual mapping mode, map the file fields, for example, the file ID and the created date. Once tested, you'll see that the file, ID, and details are correctly written into your Google Sheet document. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos in this series. Also, check out the full playlist right here to keep leveling up your automation skills. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.